In this video, I want to go over a few examples of solving multi-step equations. This first example is 6 plus x over negative 8 is equal to 4 over 7. I see that I have a positive 6 here being added to my x over negative 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. If I subtract 6 from both sides, I get x over negative 8 is equal to 4 over 7 minus 6. Now I can make this 6. I need to make it into a number over 7 in order to combine these like terms. So if I was to I want to make 6 into a number over 7. So that's going to be 7 times 6 is 42. So 42 divided by 7, or 42 over 7, is the number 6. So I'm going to rewrite this as Right. Now, I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to get a negative 38 over 7. Okay. Now, what I do, I'm dividing x by negative 8. So I want to multiply x by negative 8 on both sides. Okay. That gets rid of our negative 8 on the left. On the right, we have to multiply across. So we know it's going to be a positive number, but let's just do this little scrap work over here. Well, 8 and 8 is 64. 8 and 3 is 24. Plus 6 is 30. Okay, so this is 304 over 7. On to the next example. Example 2, I have 11x over 16 plus 7x over 8 is equal to 5 over 16. All right, so in order to combine these terms, I need common denominators. In this case, I know that 8 times 2 is 16. So my common denominator can be 16. If I rewrite that, I'll get 11x over 16 plus, now I had to multiply both the top and the bottom of this by a 2. Remember, you're just multiplying by 1 because 2 over 2 is 1. And that's going to be 14 over 16. And that equals 5 over 16. Next step, since I want to isolate my x, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract a 14 over 16 from both sides. That will get rid of this on the left side. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 14 over 16 from both sides. And I get 11x over 16 is equal to, well, here I have a negative 9 over 16. Okay. Now, x is still not alone. It's being multiplied by an 11 over 16. What I can do is I can multiply both sides by 11 over 16's reciprocal. And that's going to make this a 1x on the left. And on the right, let's see what it does. It's going to cancel those out. And x is going to equal negative 9 over 11. Okay, on to the next example. It's a quick one. I have x divided by 7 is equal to 13. This is a one-step problem. I know that x is being divided by 7, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. That cancels out, and I get x is equal to 13 times 7. Well, 7 times 10 is 70, and 7 times 3 is 21. So this is 91.